Ooh, look who's outside. Little blue jay, Mr. Blue Jay Blue. Look at that. So cute. Aw. Hello. So today is first or second day of the third trimester, and we have a quick bump shot. Well, can't really see it here, but that's what we're working with. So I'm in the plant room because I want to see what's left in here. So not much is left in here. I still have a bunch of tomato plants. These are all extras that I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with yet. Yeah, over there as well. And then these ones are plants that I'm planning on, like they're not extras basically. A couple of tomatoes up there, a couple of tomatoes here, and peppers over there. And then over there, which you can't really see, I have some basil and some failed strawberries in this tray. Oh, I have the dragon fruit as well in here. Oh, I'd forgotten about these guys. And these are all, again, peppers and tomatoes that I'm supposed to put in the yard. In this room I still have a bunch of other plants that I need to transplant into, or to outside. I have a bunch of eggplant, tomatoes, and peppers as per usual, and a couple of watermelons. My potatoes here need to be filled up because this is my other bag of potatoes. These are the Viking potatoes. I'm trying to do some succession planting, if that's what you want to call it. Let's see what's happening out here. It's a bit cool today, which is nice. So this is what the yard looks like right now. I'm not gonna go into the back really, but I'd like to remove this thing. So this has been to protect my bulbs. Okay, so yeah, we have 2 of them that made it, and I think there's one right here that's kind of sprouting. Oh, and I think another one over here. So there's still hope. The backyard still looks pretty much the same probably as the last time I videoed, but the plants are doing okay. I have to get rid of this plant. This is just the rapini. I've harvested it already, and I'm not planning on keeping it because I want to keep the basket for another batch of strawberries that I don't have yet. But yeah, this is what they're looking like. Oh, I have some strawberries that are kind of budding, which is nice, but I'm not going to go through all the plants. Everything seems to be doing okay. I have to harvest that spinach. I ended up moving the potatoes over there. But yeah, and the squashes are back there. Yeah, like I think I am pretty much just gonna hope for rain today. If it rains today, I'll be so happy because then the plants will get a nice dose of real water, or good water. And I have my midwife appointment. No, I have an ultrasound appointment. I have an ultrasound appointment this morning, so that's what I'm gonna do now, or just now. Just gonna eat and then we'll be on our way. So this is pretty terrible. I'm not a fan of eating in the bedroom, but it's so comfortable in here right now. This is what I'm having for lunch, which is I made some penne, sort of Alfredo type of garlic pasta with peas and some chicken sausage, and I'm kind of into ketchup, so that's what that is. So I'm having a tiny bowl of that before my appointment. And yeah, I kind of love ketchup. Today is week 28, and we will do a mini bump day. Okay. So the thing that I've been trying to figure out over the last little while is what I'm going to do with my hair. You know, for during birthing stuff, and then also post that, because honestly it's just so much work to take care of my hair, and I am not looking forward to having to do that when I have a newborn. So part of me actually thinks I want to get dreads again. I used to have dreads when I went to university, and it was like the best decision I ever made, because for the entire time that I was in university I never thought about my hair. So part of me feels like I should just do that. But then the other days, like today, I washed my hair and I did my hair, like moisturized and did what I was supposed to do, and after doing it I'm like, I really love my hair out like this. So yeah, so I don't know what I'm going to do in terms of like what hairstyle I'm going to be doing after, but certainly for delivery I don't know what. Yeah, I want to get braided, but with COVID it's almost unlikely that I can get someone to do my hair, meaning I don't want to risk it. And the only person other than myself who does my hair is this lady who she's a PSW, so like part of me is like worried that like I'll be putting myself and the baby at risk. I'm not sure if she's been vaccinated, but I can probably ask her. But yeah, if not, then yeah, I might just, I don't know. I just don't know what I'm going to do with my hair is the point. But yeah, my hair has grown quite a bunch during this pregnancy. I've not experienced any shedding or anything like that some women do experience. So I feel thankful for that. And I think part of me thinks that I'm going to just keep my hair stretched. So like maybe a great routine for me is washing my hair, then straightening it. So I usually just use the tension method where I hold my hair out and then I just blow dry, like run a blow dry down there, or like if I hold it, I section it, then I hold it, then I just blow dry it like this versus combing it out. That seems to be pretty quick for me, but I just don't know. I don't know, you guys. Any ideas are welcome.
This